Even if the sperm cells are synthesized in a proper manner in the testicle, it is entirely possible that there may be an obstruction preventing their full ejaculation, which would cause an obstructive oligospermia due to post-testicular causes. The obstruction can take place within the vas deferens, the epididymis, or the urethra, and can be caused by cases such as the following: complications from a testicular surgical procedure that cause some kind of cut, genetic abnormalities that impact how the male reproductive tract develops, illnesses such as the mumps or meningitis that occur before puberty, and inflammations, cysts, and traumas. This particular type of oligospermia is the mildest because sperm is indeed being produced. The only requirement is finding a suitable method to retrieve them. For this, a repair surgery can be performed, or they can be obtained through testicular biopsy in order to use them in vitro fertilization treatment.